Introducing ARGUS, the AI regulatory and governance platform, an innovative solution that addresses ethical AI. ARGUS is designed to ensure safe and compliant interactions with AI generated content, from enhancing safety to reducing biases and hallucinations. Technologies we used in this project include Llama Index for the agent control pipeline, 12 Labs video APIs for their video AI tools, Kindo's suite of large language models as well. Meet the team. I am Dhruv Shetty, and my teammate will be presenting shortly. Jai Vaibhav. The problem statement. So, what is the problem statement? AI generated content often contains biases, hallucinations, and explicit material. And the other problem is that the current governance frameworks lack comprehensive oversight over these AI outputs or AI standards. So I think we should provide a solution to this problem. Our solution consists of a pipeline that does a safety check on the input first, an upgradation as well, and then output generation from any LLM. And the most comprehensive part of this is the output checking after generation. If this output is biased, hallucinating, correct, faithful, etc. We have a similar video pipeline that does safety by doing content regulation, video querying, and also regenerates if the summaries of these videos is hallucinating. Now, the demo will be given by Jai Vaibhav.
Yeah, hi guys, I'm Jayapur. So I'll be doing the demo. So here's the first part of our application, which is a RAG workflow chatbot. So as Dhruv previously explained, the workflow goes through certain steps. That is, initially prompt injection, checking, and then we improve the prompt using prompt engineering. And next, using LLMs, we generate the output, and we check these outputs for their hallucination bias and other various metrics, using which if in case the outputs are bad, we use a feedback loop to regenerate the output. Here's a sample for a RAG workflow. So we can see that the agent starts thinking, like it gets the relevant documents. Next, it generates a response. It evaluates the response. It finds out that it's 100% faithful. So in this case, the answer was did not have any bias or hallucination also. So, and then you can see the final result, as well as here's the Llama index workflow of how the entire process works. We also have a few customization options on the left, which gives users the ability to improve the app's performance. So next we have the AI governance workflows for simple querying. So here's an example. Uh, Similar to the previous app, we have customization options here as well as online search. So if I run a workflow for what is the capital of France, we can see that the agent is uh, thinking, yeah. So AI governance workflow. So here's an example where I'm asking what's the capital of France. So here we see that the agent is first checking for the prompt injection. If the prompt is safe, it goes to prompt engineering, upgrades the prompt, generates an output, and it also checks for whether the output is safe or not. So we have correctness, helpfulness, and bias, hallucination. So this also gives us the workflow of the model. um, so here's the third app which we have video content regulation checker. So the video has already been uploaded. So in this video, we check if the video is safe or not. It was a simple video of a cooking video in a restaurant. So we see that we have a wide array of all the classes in which explicit content can fall into. So using which we get to know if the severity is going to be high, low, or medium, and based on which we can also classify it for countries and get to know if the countries are compliant with this type of explicit content. So here's the fourth version of the application, which checks for video, which generates video summary, also allows video querying, and also checks for hallucination. So here's a sample video. So uh, here's the prompt for input queries, but here's an already generated summary for this video. So if I click on check hallucination, it can check if the summary had any hallucination, or also if any query which has been entered by the user had any hallucination. But here we see that the hallucination is zero. Uh, Also, for a simple query, what is this video about? So, if I query, it takes a few seconds. We also have the option to regenerate. Yeah, so we get the output, and we also have the option to regenerate in case the hallucination is too high. Thank you.
Coming back to me, the future prospects for this project, I would say, is automated reasoning. We could add a chain of thought process to this portable pipeline to refine the output. Data compliance, using the standards of AI, we haven't really incorporated this time, like NIST from all over the world to ensure a better compliance. Scalability and modularity. This is a plug and play model. You can change the outputs, and we want to support the latest models and make sure that it is platform independent. And industry applications go on and on, from healthcare, finance, government, legal, and many more. The business potential for this project, as AI booms in this market and more AI is innovated, there will be a rising need for governance, regulations, and ethical standards for AI. As you can see, only 12% of organizations have a dedicated AI framework. Thank you.